My name is Casey Kepley. I'm glad you stopped by here. I just wanted to briefly introduce myself and tell you what my channel is about here, okay? So I've got 10 years of background in internet marketing, and I've been doing this for a while and spent thousands of dollars of my own advertising money trying to push my online business. And so throughout the years, I've spent a lot of money on stuff that doesn't work and things that do work. So if you're somebody out there, who might not be happy with the results you're getting right now and have made a lot of mistakes, maybe you've been lied to or stolen from, when it comes to the marketing tools and all the scammers that are out there on the internet, I completely empathize with you because I've been there myself. So I completely understand. But let me ask you a question real quick. Are you not having enough time to spend with your family, or maybe are you not happy with your day job, or maybe you just want to increase your income? Are those any of the obstacles and struggles that you're facing right now? Because they are. I'm with you. I've went through those struggles myself, and occasionally I still go through those struggles still today. Okay, so I'm going to show you in this channel and share with you a lot of information that's going to help provide solutions to those problems. All right. Now you might be thinking to yourself, nothing's ever worked, and maybe you've gotten to the point where you almost just wanted to give up. Okay, I can tell you I've been there too, but I'm telling you, do not give up. Do not give up, because the second you give up, it's over. Like you might as well just throw in the towel. Uh, don't give up. If you think you're not tech savvy enough, it's okay. I thought the same thing once upon a time, especially when I was learning new software programs and tools. But I kept pushing forward, and eventually I got enough knowledge to where I was able to, you know, basically share it with people like you who are watching this video. Um, so if you're looking for a change and a solution to some of the problems that I was just talking about, you come to the right place. This channel is gonna, basically break down all the passive income ideas that I have, uh, ones that I've tried that have worked, some that haven't, as well as a lot of the information that I've obtained throughout the years of over a decade of spending my own money, thousands of dollars and thousands of hours testing to see what works and what doesn't when it comes to building online businesses. Now you might notice in the right hand corner of the screen here for this channel, there is a slogan that I came up with here, and it's called Master Your Craft, Transform Your Life. Now this was something one of my mentors told me one time, and he said, you're not focused. Okay, and I know it's easy to get distracted on the internet because there's so many different things. You got things being thrown at you left and right, and you can lose focus real easy. So what I'm going to tell you is, if you're frustrated right now and you're trying to get something going, just focus. Focus on the one thing that you've been naturally good at throughout your whole life. Okay? Now, whatever that might be, it makes you basically an expert on that subject or that topic. And then what you want to do is hone in on it and master that craft as much as you can. Submerge yourself. Okay? Become a master at it. And that will transform your life, especially because you're able to share it now in this digital age that we're in with everybody around the world. And in the process, you can increase your income and basically escape that 9-to-5 job that you may not be happy with. All right, so I just want to say thanks again for visiting the channel here. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also, my schedule is going to be 2 days a week right now because I do work a day job. I'm working about 50 hours a week, so I'm going to tell you right now, if you're somebody who's looking to get rich quick, this is not the place to be because this is something that takes a lot of time and effort and energy, especially when you're trying to get started. So my channel is geared more towards beginners, but if you're somebody who's a little bit more advanced, go ahead and watch the videos because I do put in a lot of advanced stuff, when it comes to the knowledge and information on some of these software tools. With that said, I want to say thank you again, and I look forward to talking to you guys here soon. Also, before I leave, you can check out Funnel Hacks if you haven't already. This is it's basically, it's ClickFunnels. I don't know if you're familiar with it, but you can check that out. That'll help get you started, get a plan together if you haven't already got one. The other thing is you can check out my marketing company. I've been marketing and advertising for over a year now. I've been doing some consulting as well for companies. That's LDI Advertising. It's over here in the right-hand corner. And then you can also check out Lion Den Products, which is an affiliate website that I've been marketing since August of last year. But with that said, I want to say thanks again, and I'll talk to you later.